Hey Bookie Butts! Welcome to my channel. My name is Winnie G, and if you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? I always gotta hit the little bounce. I'm an insomniac. I can't sleep, so why not playing some hair? I'm trying out a couple of different wigs tonight to see which one I want to wear on vacation this weekend. So I have my wig cap already on. My hair is in some Sealy braids tucked in here every which way, okay? This wig cap is turning my hair every way but loose. And I want to get into a curly wig install. It's been a minute since I did a little color, honey. It's been a couple of minutes, so we got something spicy today. Drum roll please. Drum roll please. Today's video is sponsored by Amanda Hair, and they sent me over this really pretty reddish brown kinky curly unit. It's in 18 inches and it has a 6x4 pre-cut lace closure. She comes with an elastic band. It's that nice like comfy dome cap type of wig cap, so it's really nice and comfortable. She has combs, and as you can see, the lace is cut kind of scalloped, so it blends in really nicely with the skin. She's gorgeous, very much so pretty. I'm gonna turn my hot comb on because we about to get into it. First things first, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of foundation powder on the lace. It's a red unit, so I'm not worried about bleaching the knots. I just want to make sure that the lace is matching my skin tone. So I'm going to take my Maybelline Super Stay Powder and I'm going to apply that all around the lace. And then I'm also going to apply my bronzer along the lace in the front, just to make sure that it blends with my skin really well. I have that powder, and you see how good the coverage is. I love using this powder when I do my makeup, and I also love it from my wigs. Okay, so I took the lighter powder in the back, and now I'm taking a little bit of my bronzer powder, and I'm applying this right to the outer lace. All right, now let's pop her on. Oh, that's nice. And it fits like a glove. Okay, Amanda Hairs. I'm a little, hold on, wait a minute. This is actually kind of sickening. I'm kind of obsessed, and it's fitting my head really, really well. Sometimes these pre-cut closure wigs can kind of come down a little too far in the middle and not like give what I needed to give, but I'm pleasantly impressed. All right, I'm gonna go ahead with some hairspray before I press out my hair. I'm not sure where I want to have the part yet, but let's play with it. She's 18 inches, so I'm definitely gonna kind of cut her to give her a little bit of shape. I just don't know if I want like a side part. I just did a middle part, so I'm kind of like not in the mood for that. So I'm thinking like side part or like a little faux flip over moment, but let's not get too hasty. Let's see what it's, let's feel her spirit and see what it's giving. I'm really impressed by this lace. It is laying gorgeous. My ice machine is so loud. I be so scared in the middle of the night. I'm kind of here for the flip over. I don't want to change it. I just want to add some baby hair. So I think that is the vibe that we're gonna go for. It's more of like a flip over situation. I like to trim this little piece of lace on the corner so that everything can lay nice and flat. So I'm just trimming that up a little bit. Then I'm gonna go in with my Ebin Wonder Lace Spray Supreme Hold, the black one. Everybody's talking about the red one that I still need to try, but when I find something that I like, I don't do too much switching, you know what I mean? But I'm going to the beauty supply store like tomorrow, so I might pick up some new stuff to try, we'll see. For now, I'm gonna take this spray and put it on the back of my hand and just pat it onto the very edge of the lace. I'm not gonna apply it under. I'm just kind of using it as a melting spray because I'm not leaving my wig on for that long, so I don't need like a crazy hold right now. I want it more so to just kind of melt everything together. So I'm applying that product and then making sure to go in with my rat tail comb and get any loose hairs out of the lace, because once we put our little elastic band on, baby, nothing is moving. So you gotta be committed. So I'm gonna use the back of my rat tail comb and I'm just kind of pressing that lace into place, and it is literally melted. Like, what's going on? So here for it. Let's apply our little elastic band to get it nice and melted. And while that is working its magic, let's get into the cut. Now, because she's shorter, she already has quite a bit of layers. So I'm just kind of fluffing her out to see what we're working with before I just start cutting stuff. I kind of want to see how it's already falling. And off the bat, I know that I want to cut a little bit of the length off the bottom. So I'm just kind of parting the hair down the middle and the back to make sure we have all of the hair in front and we can get it cut to our liking. Alright. So I'm gonna pull the hair down and trim a little inch off just to get it to look nice and full. You see it's like a little, you know, just a little bit more tame on this side. So let's start there. Let's get the base layer situation going. And I'm just kind of dragging my scissors down the hair to add a few layers. Nothing too crazy at all, honestly. Yes, this is that like circle shape that I really want. I'm just trimming off little by little and kind of getting the shape where I want it to be, fluff it out, see where it's sitting, and keep cutting. Quite frankly, this is good for me. It's giving me the volume that I need, giving me the shape that I want, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing on this side and kind of just, you know, add some little light layers. I need to get some new shears or like tighten these up or do something, cause girl, they are not giving what I need them to give right now, but we making it work. Okay, and for this look, I don't really want it to be super defined. I kind of like the afro look. I want it to be really big. So I'm puffing everything out, like running my fingers through it to kind of get it to be nice and big and like give an afro. I don't quite want it to be a part in the hair, but I also don't want this track out. So I'm going to part a little hair going back and make sure to press it into place. Just to kind of make sure all our little bases are covered, child, because that's embarrassing. We cannot have our tracks out in 2024. Like, be for real. All right, it's giving Khalees, and I'm very happy with it. We can go in and play with it a little bit more, but first I want to make sure that this lace is laid. And it is. And it is, girl. Get into it. Scrumptious. Now you can leave it like this with no baby hair, but be for real. Be for real. Do you know me at all? Is my name Wynne Jean? Because if so, then you know you're about to put some baby hairs on it. So I like to do a little side swoop to kind of blend in where the closure stops and the actual dome cap for the wig starts. So I'm gonna part out a little hair on the sides. I have a lot of faith in me, girl, because right now it's not giving. Just give me a second. Give me a second. We about to get back on track. I just kind of gave the baby hair a little bump with my little mini flat iron. Gave him a little trim. Now I'm gonna go in with the foaming lotion and an edge brush. Okay. Okay. I do think I want to go through and define the curls a little bit. I think what I'm going to do is go through, define the curls, and then we can fluff them out to make it nice and big again. Yeah. But yeah, because I'm running low on my Shea Moisture. I think I'm going to use the Dew Mousse Def. I think that's what it's called. Let me go get it. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and part out the back section of the hair and kind of apply the product in sections. This is a lot of hair, so I definitely want to make sure that we get it everywhere that we need to. Now, since we are going for a more like voluminous look, I just want the definition on the ends. That's kind of my vibe right now, like bushy roots, coils on the ends. So I'm gonna wet the ends of the hair down just a little bit. Then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this Mousse Def. I keep wanting to say Mousse Def like the damn rapper, but yeah, I'm gonna go in a little bit of this mousse. And I'm literally just applying it to like the maybe like last couple of 4 inches or so of the hair. And that way we can keep all that like afro volume that we had while still giving like, you know, definition. I low-key want it to look like a 3rd or 4th day wash and go. That's the vibe. When it's nice and fluffy and giving what needs to have been gave. Now, once I get a little higher on the hair, I probably will apply the product to more of the like shaft of the hair, so we can get that like, you know, super defined look on top. But for the back and the bottom, baby, we're just trying to kiss the ends. Just barely. Kiss the ends. And this product has quite a bit of hold, so I'm applying a little bit of water just to thin it out a touch. And I'm literally using like a half a pump per section, and I'm taking pretty large sections. See, it's doing exactly what we needed to do. It's like defined, not crazy, but not too defined, like afro stylized. You know what I mean? But I keep waking up. No, you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell the shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. My hands are so sticky, but the curls look gorgeous. And one thing that I really like about this product is that it dries super fast. I'm about to wash my hands because they are like a mess, and we can go ahead and finish up the install. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes. That mousse is amazing. I'm not gonna lie. I've never experienced a mousse that gives so much definition. Hey, Poo Poo. Say hi to Miss Bailey. I'm still dog sitting, y'all. It's been honestly really pleasant, though. I kind of want a dog now. I kind of want to keep her, but have to give her back. All right. What do we think? This is the finished look. The curls are juicy. The jet black eyebrows are stressing me out. Okay, I tried to lighten them up a little bit, but hey, okay. If I do pick this wig to wear this weekend, I probably will go like really chocolatey, warm brown on the brows because it's almost giving gray against this red. But the hair itself is gorgeous. Get into the lace. I know, where is it? I can't find it. I'm finding it. I'm finding it. It's eating. What do you guys think? Okay, I got 2 good options so far. I cut this one perfectly. The layers are giving everything that I needed to. The lace is eating, and it's a closure wig, so it's so easy to install. So like this would be perfect to like pop on and off. If I was to take multiple wigs, so convenient. I can't stop touching it. The curls are like perfect. It's super big still, but I still have that like definition. I'm obsessed. All right, I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. Thank you again to Amanda Hair for working with me. All the information about this hair will be down below in the description bar if you guys want to go ahead and check it out. I suggest that you do because it's giving. It's giving. Like, really get into it. You can barely see the lace, and I'm like literally stuffing my face in this camera. Like, it looks so good. Okay, I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next one. Make sure that you are subscribed with your post notifications on, because you gotta help me pick my wig. I need help, okay? Please, please. Comment down below and let me know what you think. I need help from my girls, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, babes.